Stop right there. Before you even think about buying the current Avata or any other FPV drone, you need to hear this. Because what I'm about to share isn't just speculation. It's a deep, investigative dive into the most anticipated drone release of the year, the DJI Avata 3. And if the leaks are even half true, this drone is going to change FPV forever. Stay with me for the next 30 minutes, because by the end, you'll have the only information you need to decide if you should wait for the Avata 3 or miss out on a genuine revolution. Right now, everyone is talking about the competition, the incremental upgrades. But behind closed doors, DJI is preparing to leapfrog the entire industry. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Avata 3 isn't just an update, it's a re-engineering driven by one goal, to create the ultimate, unbreakable, cinematic FPV experience for everyone. Let's start with the Achilles heel of the current Avata, battery life. Imagine flying not for 18 minutes, but for over 30 minutes on a single pack. The leaks suggest a completely redesigned, higher-density battery chemistry, potentially coupled with a more efficient propulsion system. This isn't just a bump, it's a game-changer. It means fewer landing spots, more uninterrupted flow, and the ability to capture that perfect, extended one-shot sequence. We're breaking the 30-minute barrier. That is why you need to hold your money. Now, let's talk about the camera. The current Avata is good, but good doesn't cut it in 2024. Sources point to the Avata 3 adopting a much larger 1/1.3-inch or even 1-inch sensor. Think about that. We're moving from sharp footage to true cinematic quality. Better low-light performance. Deeper dynamic range. Footage that looks less like a drone clip and more like a Hollywood B-roll. We're talking 5.4K resolution at higher frame rates. This isn't just for FPV pilots anymore. This is for serious filmmakers. If DJI delivers on this sensor size, the competition is instantly obsolete. But a great camera needs a great connection. This is where the leaks get truly exciting. We're anticipating the official debut of DJI O4, or even an O5 level system, specifically tuned for the FPV environment. Imagine triple-band communication, 2.4 GHz, 5.8 GHz, and a third frequency, dynamically switching for ironclad reliability. We're talking about near-zero latency and a clean, uninterrupted HD feed up to 20 kilometers away. For the American pilot, that means crystal-clear visuals even in dense, signal-heavy urban areas. This is the end of video link anxiety, the feeling of complete control. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the goggles. Rumors suggest DJI is finally merging their best features. We might see the DJI Goggles 3, a slimmed-down, lighter form factor that finally includes external cameras for an AR-style experience. Imagine taking off your goggles in the field without actually taking them off. Just a quick toggle to see your surroundings. Plus, a massive boost in resolution, possibly 4K per eye, and a wider field of view. Comfort meets performance. This simple addition elevates safety and convenience to an entirely new level. And what about safety and intelligence? The Avata was criticized for its limited obstacle avoidance. The Avata 3 is rumored to feature omnidirectional sensing,